The Therapy Garden opened its doors in 1998, the brainchild of a local resident who understood very well the huge benefits gardening had for an individual's health and well-being. Now, in 2020, the garden, situated at the heart of the picturesque village of Normandy, Surrey, covers a beautiful and peaceful 2-acre site, much loved by clients, students, staff and volunteers alike. We're a horticulture and education charity, and we work with children, young people and adults who are facing significant challenges in life, including learning difficulties and mental health problems. The Therapy Garden is a safe and supportive environment whose staff believe in the power of gardening to promote healing and independence. We change lives for the better, and we do this by creating the perfect place to enjoy the power of gardening and to connect with nature. Our tranquil garden has been designed with accessibility in mind and includes wheelchair-friendly pathways, raised vegetable and flower beds, sensory areas and quiet spaces.
My name's Hannah. I am the senior horticulturalist and tutor at the Therapy Garden. I've been working here since August 2019. My job on a day-to-day is to look around the garden and find therapeutic horticultural tasks for our clients and volunteers to do together. So we have different client groups that come on different days of the week. We have Green School on a Monday and a Friday. We have a girls group on a Monday, and we have an all boys group on a Friday with behavioural and social challenges at school who would benefit from being out of school one day a week, and they do lots of practical tasks with a kind of work experience feel. We have on Tuesdays we have older adults come to us with a mixture of needs. Same with Thursday, we have younger clients with a mixture of additional needs. Wednesdays we have monthly groups, so we have stroke group, one week stroke of genius, a dementia group called Garden Pastimes. One of the other Wednesdays we have a local organisation called Halo with adults with autism who come here for a kind of work experience day. Everybody's motivation for coming to the Therapy Garden tends to be different, and our job is to kind of find out why people have come to us and provide gardening related activities that relate to those wants and needs. Every day we see the transformative power of social and therapeutic horticulture. The National Garden Scheme has been incredibly important to the Therapy Garden. In recent years we open our gates twice a year and have a full day of visitors coming to the garden. It gives our clients purpose, something to work towards, to be able to welcome our visitors and show all the hard work that our clients and volunteers have done. And the support is just invaluable to us.
The Therapy Garden delivers a vital service, providing much needed physical, psychological and social support, helping some of the most vulnerable members of our community. The healing and peace found in our garden will be desperately needed over the months and years to come.